Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good
Sir.
morning, beta. Good morning, all of you. Open page number
Good
142.
morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, sir.
Page number 142 open करिए in your book. Chapter 18. Page number 142. Chapter 18, page number 142. Open in your book.
Sir,
Open it. Open.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we are going to start this chapter today. Chapter number 18. Triangles and quadrilaterals. Okay, all of you. Ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है बेटा. So I will be showing you a video first of all to introduce what are triangles. Although you know about triangles already, फिर भी मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाता हूँ. See the video, everyone. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, all of you. I'm sharing my screen. Everyone, I will show you a video. Okay. Ready, everyone? Keep your mics off. I'm showing you a video. Okay, so this is the screen I have shared and I am now playing the video.
About three line segments like these. And think about three line segments like these. And we have been assigned a task to form a closed figure using these segments. How should we go about it? We adjust this one a bit and place these two segments like this. That's it. We have a closed figure which we have formed using these three line segments. This is a triangle. Let's draw it on a new page. It's drawn like this. If you look at the entire figure, you will see 3 points which are called the vertices. Each point is a vertex. A vertex in a closed figure is simply a point at which two segments meet. And to name the triangle, all we have to do is name the vertices. Let's name them A, B, and C. This triangle will be called triangle ABC. Instead of writing the word triangle every time, we use the symbol of a triangle instead. Is the order important here? Can we call it triangle BAC or triangle CBA? Yes, we can, but wherever possible, we should try and follow the alphabetical order. Look at the triangle closely. You would see vertices, angles, and sides too. We have seen that they have three vertices A, B, and C. We know that an angle is formed when two segments meet, which means we have three angles here: angle A, angle B, and angle C. A triangle is basically a three-sided closed figure with three angles in its interiors. And how many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, and 3. Three sides. And it has three sides or segments: AB, BC, and CA. In this triangle ABC, we also say that BC is the side opposite vertex A. And similarly, AC is the side opposite to vertex B. And AB is the side opposite to vertex C. All this is very simple to understand, but may get boring if you do not know the real-world applications of triangles. Think about two brothers, Ben and Charlie, who love breaking each other's toys. Ben has a rectangular toy shaped like this, and Charlie has a triangular shaped toy. Charlie attacks first and breaks Ben's toys easily. Getting angry, Ben runs towards Charlie's toy, hoping to smash it into pieces. But he realizes that the tip of the toy is sharp, and the toy won't break easily if he tries to attack the other two sides. And that is why a triangular shape is considered to be extremely stable in the field of architecture. So what do we do if we want a stable and a more solid rectangular shape? Maybe we can use three triangles like this and make one rectangle. This figure will be more stable as compared to this one. Most of the bridges you see will have a triangular structure like this and helps it withstand the heavy downward force of the weights crossing the bridge. Imagine you lived in a town where it rains and snows heavily. What if you had a house like this? In cold weather, snow would accumulate on your roof. But if you had a house with a roof like this, snow would just slide down the slopes. This shape is triangular. You live on the 25th floor of a building and one day there's no electricity. Imagine climbing up a straight ladder to reach your house. That would be really tough. And to make it easy, we have stairs, which again is a triangular shape. And because of all these reasons and many more, it is considered the single most important shape in engineering.
Yes, all of you seen the video, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्या समझ में आया बेटा वीडियो में आपको? क्या क्या बातें समझ में आई वीडियो में?
That the triangle is more stable.
ट्रायंगल क्या होता है समझ में आया? ट्रायंगल हैज हाउ मेनी साइड्स, हाउ मेनी एंगल्स, ये सब नहीं बताया वीडियो में? है बेटा?
Sir, it is given there.
How many angles are there in a triangle? Tell me.
Sir, there are three.
Three
Sir, there are
angles.
three angles.
How many
Sir,
sides?
three.
How many sides are there?
Three.
Three sides.
Sir, three.
And how many angles? Sorry, how many sides? Sorry, how many vertices are there?
Sir,
Again,
three.
three
Sir,
vertices.
three.
Sir, three.
Ah, correct. Okay. Now I will show you a video which will help you understand how many types of triangles are there. Types of triangles. ठीक है, एक और वीडियो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, ready? All of you ready to see the next video?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, देखिए थोड़ा सा स्पीड को स्लो कर देता हूँ बिकॉज आपको समझ में आसानी से आएगा फिर. Okay, playing the video now.
Classify triangles. How do we classify triangles? One way in which they can be classified is the lengths of their sides. One way in which they can be classified is the lengths of their sides. Let's see how. So based on sides, the first kind of triangle is a triangle which has all its sides equal to each other. To show that they are equal, we put the same mark on each of the sides. This tells us that all three sides are equal. Such triangles are called equilateral triangles. Remember, all sides have to be equal. The word by itself tells you that. Equi is equal and lateral is side. The other kind of triangle is a triangle which has two sides equal. Say these two sides. Such triangles are called isosceles triangles. Any two of the three sides can be equal. And the third type of triangle is the one in which no two sides are equal. Such triangles are called scalene triangles. Remember, the length of each side of the scalene triangle is different from the other. So this was the classification of triangles based on sides. The other way in which they can be classified is the measure of its angles. Let us review the topic of angles a bit. If an angle is less than 90 degrees, it is called acute. The angle will look something like this. If it equals 90 degrees, then it's called a right angle, which will look exactly like this. And if it's greater than 90 degrees, then it's called an obtuse angle. This is how it will look. Here's the good news. Triangles are also classified in a similar way. Look at this triangle. All the angles inside are acute. Any guesses on what such triangles are called? Yes, acute triangles. Now look at this triangle. This angle here is a right angle. If one angle in a triangle is a right angle, then it's called a right triangle. It's also referred to as a right-angled triangle. Remember, Just one angle has to be a right angle for the triangle to be a right triangle. On that note, let me ask you a random question. Can we have two right angles in a triangle? Try making one in your notebook and you will get your answer. The third kind of triangle looks a bit like this. If you observe carefully, you will see that just one angle is obtuse. A triangle in which one angle is obtuse is called an obtuse angle. This angle in the triangle is greater than 90 degrees, which makes it obtuse. So this was the basic classification of triangles. To revisit what we have covered so far, please go through the summary at the end of this video.
Okay, all of you. So, how many types of triangles are there on the basis of?
Sir, three types.
Sir,
Sir, three types.
बताइए कौन
Three.
कौन से?
Sir, equilateral triangle,
Sir,
isosceles
equilateral, sir,
triangle,
isosceles, and sir, scalene.
triangle.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. तो
Sir, in
triangles
equatorial angle, sir, all
equilateral,
sides are equal.
equilateral.
Sir, in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Sir,
हाँ,
in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and one side is different. And
very
sir,
good.
in the scalene triangle, all
Sir,
sides
all
are
sides
different.
are different.
Very
Sir,
nice,
nobody
very nice,
that.
very nice, excellent. बहुत अच्छे बेटा. क्या कह रहे हो मंडप में?
Sir, in scalene triangle, sir, there is
No
sir
sides are
any
equal.
sides are not equal. Yes,
Very good, very good, very good. मतलब सब कुछ समझ में आ गया वीडियो में.
yes.
वीडियो में सब कुछ समझ में आया तो आप लोग अपना वीडियो भी ऑन करो बच्चों. एवरीवन. ये तो मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ बच्चे अपना वीडियो ऑफ करके बैठे हैं. इतने अच्छे बच्चे हैं, हमेशा वीडियो ऑन करते हैं. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज स्टार्ट योर वीडियो. ओके, तो हम्म 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 okay, all of you open page number 143 in your book. Please keep your videos on. Page number 143 open करिए. Yes, please open page number 143. You can see the headings. First heading is equilateral. Types of triangles पहले heading डालेंगे आप. क्या heading डालेंगे? Types of triangles.
Copy.
Yes, in your copy. Types of triangles. ठीक है, इसमें फर्स्ट आप लिखेंगे इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. सी द पेज. टाइप्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स में सेकंड लाइन पे देखो लिखा है इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, उसको इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल्स की डेफिनेशन लिखो एंड ड्रॉ द फिगर. राइट साइड में देखिए फिगर बना हुआ है इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल का. फिगर 1 जिस पे लिखा हुआ है. जिसमें सारी साइड 6 सेंटीमीटर 6 सेंटीमीटर 6 सेंटीमीटर की है। ऐसा ही एक ट्राइंगल आप बनाएंगे, साइड्स को मेजर करके नहीं बनाना है, विदाउट मेजरिंग, ठीक है। स्केल से बनाना बट मेजर करके नहीं बनाना, ऐसे बना देना। सो डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल की, वॉट एवर द डेफिनेशन इज, राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन, ड्रॉ द फिगर ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल। इसमें 6 सेंटीमीटर 6 सेंटीमीटर 6 सेंटीमीटर आप लिख लेंगे। देन यू राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल, ठीक है। ओके, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल की डेफिनेशन लिखनी है, उसमें भी आप दो साइड्स इक्वल हैं 6 सेंटीमीटर, इस तरीके से ट्राइंगल बनाना है, एंड वन साइड इज डिफरेंट 5 सेंटीमीटर, राइट ऑन द डेफिनेशन। आई होप यू ऑल हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग, शुरू कर दिया। एंड देन स्केलिंग ट्राइंगल, राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन एंड ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल जिसमें तीनों साइड्स अलग अलग, ओके। So suppose this is 4 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters, and this is 6 centimeters. Okay, start doing it, everyone. समझ गए क्या करना है बच्चों?
Sir, on which page number it is given?
अरे बेटा साफ साफ अब ये पेज नंबर 143 ये लिखा है। चलो शुरू हो जाओ।